Hey, it's May, and I live out of my 2013 Nissan Altima named Mars. These are the final steps of me creating my bed, so come along with me to Joann Fabric as I figure out the foam as well as the fabric that I want to use to cover everything. My OCD is absolutely loving it here. However, this is what I think I'm going to get. After being in complete awe of all the rainbow colors in the organization, I walked around the store for a bit and I really want this crochet toy set to have something to do along my ride. I also joked about this little ensemble thing here. We were laughing and seeing she was trying to, pass the J. Afterwards, I pretty much just took a kitchen knife and hacked at this foam to make it fit wherever I know that I wanted a bed or cushion to be. After I had the main pieces set, I pretty much just took this staple gun and anywhere I thought needed a staple, it received a staple. I'm just about to add upholsterer to my resume. You done video?
Welcome to our new van.
Welcome to my crib.
Finally got the bed in. After days of work.
Alright, let's finish it up. After we had the main structure done, I went ahead and used the extra foam and extra wood to create not only a stand, but a headboard as well as a floating shelf. So the idea is to give me a little bit more headspace. So when I'm laying here, I can put like pillows in here and then I can still open it and access everything that's in my trunk. See? And I can close it when it's time to go to bed. I just built that. And then, guess what, y'all? I'm done! I built my entire car V, and I'm ready to hit the road. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys want to follow me along my trip. And also let me know if you want to see a full start to finish video. Love you guys. Bye.